Hi there all healthy people, and little bit more tips for vegan, vegetarians and raw foodies. So today I'll explain you shortly about germinated food. So if you want to grow any seeds, nuts, cereals or beans, basically any type, it have a little bit different type and different techniques, but mostly any of them we can put in the water and left it for over the night for let absorb the water. Then we take the water out, and later on we keep it in a dark place and spray some water on for keep it wet, or you can put it in a plastic bottle, make some holes and let water go through, and basically in a couple of days, 2-3 days, it will grow. So most of seeds and beans grow very well. Different of them have slightly different taste. Some really well you can eat with salads, let's say raw, it's absolutely fine, and some not taste good raw. So if you are not a raw foodist, you can cook it. I make some other videos already, you can check it out. Also, each type of beans a little bit specified. So let's say if you make mashed beans, so later on will do grown, you need to put it in the water and take all of the peel out, because it's not taste good, let's say. And basically from it also you can dry it, make a powder, you can make it pickle. So basically everything is only can limit your imagination. Okay, so you can make some fun experiments at home with your germinated food, and maybe you can find your own way how to make it taste better, what ingredients or spices you like to mix it with, and so on. Okay, later on will be more tips and recipes, so stay tuned.